terminal and non-terminal. Very simply, terminal is the physical instantiation of object in space. Could even be your body or a cup or a table. The physical instantiation in space is the terminal domain. And then the non-terminal domain is, roughly speaking, your mind. Your mind is the non-terminal domain. Although if you were to pick up a book and have the language contained in the book, that's almost an extension of the non-terminal domain. The ideas, the thoughts, the patterns of one person's mental representations written out onto the pages, that's almost an extension of the non-terminal domain as far as I know. So the terminal domain is physical instantiations of physics, how physics uses everything in the world of objects and space and time, and non-terminal is inside the mind. Point 2, the conspansive manifold versus the linear ectomorphic semi-model. This conspansive manifold overlaps with the non-terminal domain. The conspansive manifold is Lange's concept of space for the mind. Really profound concept here, because mathematical spaces are so important for philosophy and metaphysics, but Lange's conspansive manifold roughly maps into the mind and is a spatial representation and other overall model representation for the mind, the conspansive manifold. And in the conspansive manifold, points are always expanding and contracting. So you may have a thought or an idea, then a point in your mind expands and contracts, and you hear it repeated in language in your mind. And then you lose that thought, or you forget about that thought, and it contracts again. There's points in the conspansive manifold that expand and contract, and when you get this all together in this mental image, that's one major point expanding, and then your whole horizon lighting up.